Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a huge back to school try on haul for 2021 and I'm really excited. I have some great pieces. I have some clothing items, a lot of shoes. I have like 3 shoes, some LULULEMON, some Dior, some just random things all together, honestly. Yeah, so if you guys are excited for this video, then just keep watching. Okay, so starting off, it's not a shopping spree haul slash collective haul without Dossier. You guys know I love them so much. I work with them a lot, and that is because I truly just am obsessed with their brand and their products. Like, I'm absolutely obsessed. So if you guys don't know what Dossier is, basically they are a fragrance website that replicates designer inspired fragrances for a fraction of the cost. So I don't know about you, but I love some designer fragrances, but the price tag on them it's just absolutely absurd to me. Like, I'm guilty of it. Like, I still do it to this day sometimes, but for the most part, I always use Dossier just because they're so much more affordable, but they smell the exact same. I have a lot of the real designer scents and then the Dossier inspired ones. I cannot tell a difference. Like, I swear by them. So I do have a discount code for you guys. It is Hannah Victoria 10 for 10% off your order. I'll have it on the screen. It'll be in the description along with a link to Dossier's website. I love them so much. They have so many good fragrances on their website. First one that I have for this month is called Musky Musk, and it is inspired by Juliette Has a Gun, not a perfume, et du parfum. So I've been wanting to try this fragrance for so long. I don't have the actual designer one because it's so expensive. This smells freaking amazing. That one, I give it a 9 out of 10, honestly. Really liked it. And then for this one's called Floriental Almond, and it is inspired by Carolina Herrera Good Girl. So I've heard such good things about this fragrance. Ooh, this one's a lot sweeter. Ooh, that one's really good. I've smelled the actual designer scent in store before and it smells identical to it. And like, look how cool the cap is. Like, it's like a magnet. Anyways, I give that one a 9.5 out of 10. I love it. So thank you so much to Dossier for partnering with me on this video. Don't forget, guys, to use my discount code HannahVictoria10 for 10% off your order, and check the links in the description box so you guys can check out their website. They have so many to choose from, and I definitely recommend you checking them out. And if you're not happy with them, you can always return them. Without further ado, let's get into the rest of the haul. So, funny story, I actually have 4 things that were supposed to arrive in the mail today, and they haven't yet. So if they end up coming like while I'm filming this or like a little bit later, maybe I'll do a little pop-in or something later. But I need to film this video so I can get it up for you guys on Wednesday. So that's why I'm not waiting. I'm sure I'll do another part 2 soon. I'm sure, because I have a lot on the way. Been shopping like crazy recently. Also, I just remembered that I have not done a collective haul since like the very beginning of July, and it's the very end of August. So this is long overdue. And yeah, all right, so let's get into it. So starting off, I'm gonna show you guys something really random. So actually, Lauren Elizabeth on YouTube recommended this, not to me necessarily, just, you know, influencer things, just put on her Instagram or her YouTube video. Can't even remember how I found it, but I was very intrigued. So it's by the brand Array, and they're bloat capsules. So basically you take 2 to 3 bloat capsules immediately after your meal. Whether you've had an indulgent dinner or need overall digestion help, we've got your back. They're vegan, filler-free, and gluten-free, organic, nut-free, cruelty-free. So I haven't tried them yet, but I will keep you guys updated. I struggle with bloating. I'm actually like sensitive to a lot of foods like gluten, dairy, wheat, eggs, but I still eat a lot of those things. So I'm hoping that this will help me just, you know, feel morning skinny all day long. So I'll have them linked down below. They're kind of expensive. I want to say it was like $50 some. Took like a week and a half to get here, but yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. So I actually have a PR package from DP Hue to show you guys, but I need to go get scissors, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I just love DP Hue so freaking much. They always send me packages like every few months or so, and I'm like on their PR list, I guess, which is awesome. And every time they send a package, of course, I always show it to you guys. So, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Summer hair care, summer sun equals brassy tones. Specifically formulated for blondes and brunettes. How to neutralize brassy tones. Okay, I just used the apple cider vinegar rinse or like clarifying shampoo from them, and I loved it so much. I've used their like brightening blonde shampoo that they sent me. I've used like all their products and I love them. So this is the Cool Blonde Conditioner. Okay, both the shampoo and conditioner are made with silk proteins and hibiscus flower extract to strengthen hair and improve luster and shine. It's sulfate free, will not strip hair color. Leave on hair for up to 5 minutes for best results. The conditioner detangles strands, adds softness, and weightlessly conditions hair. Both products can be used on color treated hair or natural blonde hair. So then this one is the Cool Blonde shampoo. So excited. I can't even see my face because this box, but thank you so much, DPU. I love their products so much. I'll have them linked in the description, but they're such a cool brand and always got to keep that blonde fresh, you know? Next up, I'll show you guys what I got from Dior. I ordered this from Dior. It's actually just makeup because Sephora has been sold out of this, and I've had this stuff for quite a while, like over a month, but I just haven't done a haul in a long time, so I just thought I would wait, and so now I'm finally showing it to you. But I got the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation in 3N. I've used this a couple times and I like it, but I'm not sure it's worth the hype. I saw somebody hyping this up on TikTok, and like I see a lot of YouTubers talk about it, but I don't know. I like it, it's just, maybe I need to like try it another time. It's okay. It's not my favorite foundation. My favorite foundation is still the Pat McGrath when I wear makeup, which is hardly ever, but this, I mean, it's pretty good. It's very lightweight, I would say. Yeah, I need to try it again for sure. But the last thing that I got is this. Oh, here's all the packaging it came in, if you guys were wondering. I didn't know I kept that, but I got the Dior Backstage Blush in Pink 001, and it's called Rosy Glow. But you know, TikTok blew this up, so it's sold out everywhere, but I did find it on Dior. I thought this was the mini size, but I think this is just the regular size. But it basically like matches your natural pH. Like as soon as you put it on, it'll like adjust to the natural pH of your skin. I don't know if that's really true, but I really, really like this color. I think Kylie Jenner is the one who recommended this, and that's why it's sold out everywhere. But it's just a really pretty bubblegum pink blush, and I'm here for it. So that's all that I got from Dior. Nothing like too cool, just makeup. I'll do Lulu first because I know you guys are probably wanting to see this. I've got so much stuff from Lululemon coming on the way, so that's why I'm including it in this video, because I've got a lot of other Lululemon hauls to do. So I just thought I would include some of it in this haul. That way I didn't have like 4 to post already, you know, because I'm sure it'll just keep piling up because I keep buying stuff every week. So first thing that I have here are the Speed Up Short 2.5 inch in a size 4. And I forget the shade name, but like it's a really weird print, but I liked it because I have this gray. I'm pretty sure this is called asphalt gray or graphite gray, and I have like tops to match it. But then I've also got, I think that's Wisteria Purple and Sonic Pink or Ripened Raspberry, but nonetheless I have stuff, a lot of stuff to match these shorts. And I always wanted to try the 2.5 inch. So I just thought I would give it a go, and I really, really like them. They are kind of like booty shorts, but I really like them. I think they look really cute, and I never thought in a million years I would get the 2.5 inch, especially because these are the low rise ones, but I really like them. You guys know Speed Ups are like my favorite shorts ever from Lulu. So now I finally tried the 2.5 inch and I'm really happy about it. Next up, I think I bought most of the stuff before my vacations, and I still haven't showed you, so yeah. But yeah, these two I definitely ordered before my vacations. But I got 2 of the Kate's tees. I got this one in Maldives green, and then this one in Sonic Pink, and they're both in a size 2. And I like to tie these up in a cute little knot. Perfect for back to school. Like, I think this would even look good with like the shorts. So, got that. And then I got 2 pairs of shorts. These are one of my favorite pairs of shorts ever. They're the Track That High Rise Short 3 inch. I got all my Track That's in a size 4. Even though I feel like I can maybe do a 2, but I'm not sure. But I got the first one in Wisteria Purple. I just think these are so flattering. You guys will see in the try on. They're high-waisted. They're a little bit shorter. You know, they're 3 inch instead of 4 inch, which is Usually like what I go for is 4-inch, but I like the 3-inch. And then I got it in the like black camo. And these released a couple weeks ago, like the week before I went on vacation, or like 2 weeks before. And this is the type of short from Lululemon that you can never find, because it's always sold out because people are just obsessed with it, and they just can't keep it in stock. So the black camo might have been like a restock, but I know the wisteria purple was a new drop. Great, my freaking ring just picked it. I hate this Gucci ring. I love it, but I hate it. Okay, next up. I got this in store the other day because I had to make an exchange on, I exchanged my Align tee for this because the Align tee was so similar to my Nulu Slim V-neck tee that I got in a couple months ago. So I just exchanged it for this. I just got the Energy Long Line High Neck Tough Bra in size 6, and I love these to wear as tops or to work out in. So just got that. And then when I was on vacation in Wyoming, I got this sweatshirt from the Lululemon pop-up shop there. And I think it might actually turn into a store. I mean, it looked like a store, but it's technically a pop-up. But they got extended to go till like April, I think. So I'm hoping they get extended because we bought a house there. So I'm hoping like they stay there, because if they don't have a Lululemon in Wyoming or Idaho, I'll probably go crazy. So fingers crossed that the pop-up shop stays, but it was really cute. But I got the All Yours hoodie cropped in a size 6, $108. But I got it in a size 6 because they only had a 2 or a 6 or like above, and I normally get these in 4s. But if I got in a 2, I knew if I raised my arms, it would show like my bra. So I just got it in a 6. But I have this in black and like a blue color, and so I just thought white would be really pretty. I don't know, I'm just like obsessed with white. I don't know why. So yeah, that's all that I got from Lulu. Actually, no, it's not. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, last thing from Lulu is this Back to Life Sport water bottle in Pal Pink in the 24 ounce. And I will say, I dropped this in the elevator yesterday, full of water, dropped it from like holding it like right here, and it didn't dent. So this thing is like pretty heavy duty. I was like really impressed because every time I would drop my Hydro Flask, they would just like dent and like, you know, like bend in and just like scratch. And so really like this water bottle. I have it in Neo Mint, I have the 32 ounce in white, I have it in Pink Mist, and now Pal Pink. And I love Pal Pink. It's really similar to Sonic Pink, like really similar. But yeah, so I got this. That's all from Lulu. Hope you enjoyed. From Dolce Vita, I hear like a lot of YouTubers, I think Brooke Michio is the one who put me on these, but there are these heels, and I know you guys have seen them. They're called are they called the PAILY heel? In the color Ivory Stella maybe, but let me put you on, okay? These heels, you guys, are just insane. They are so cute with the like little woven straps, but they are the most comfortable pair of heels I own or I've ever even tried. Like way more comfortable than like Steve Madden, and I wear like a lot of Steve Madden heels, but like these are it. They're so comfortable. I wore them to dinner. My boyfriend took me out to dinner Saturday night, and I wore them like all in the house before I went out because I was just trying to break them in. They feel like slippers. I'm not even kidding you. They are so comfortable. They're like squishy, and they didn't like put blisters on. Like I have these pair of heels from Princess Polly that like I always have to take off like after 5 minutes of wearing because they're so like uncomfortable. It's not even Princess Polly's fault. It's just heels, you know? But these are it. So I ordered them in another color that were supposed to be here today, but they're not. So keep you guys updated, but I love those so much, and you definitely need to check them out. And I know it's getting into fall technically, but I'm still stuck on summer. A lot of the stuff that I have on the way is like summer stuff because I know it will be summer until like October here, so it's fine. Next up, I got a pair of Nike Air Max 270s, and these are just everywhere. My friend Jordan, she wears them all the time, and I always just stare at them and love them. And then she sent me the link, and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna buy them. But they're so cute. I know you've seen them everywhere. Like I feel like everybody has these, but they just look like this. I got the white and black ones. They do have a white and gold, which is pretty cool, but I just like the simple white and black, and all I wear is like white shoes, I feel like. Yeah, they're so comfortable. I wore them today. I'll have a vlog coming soon, so you guys will get to see these in action. Probably the next video that you guys see. But so comfortable, love them. Last up for shoes, I got a new pair of Air Forces since I'm so basic. You know, I'm actually not, because a lot of people get the regular smegular Air Force Ones, but no, I get the shadows because that's where it's at. And you know why? Because they have like an extra little platform, I feel like. Like it's more platforms than the original ones. But I have these already, but they're kind of beat up. And the system that I was using is my regular Air Force Ones that everybody has with the like silver tag right here instead of the white. Those are like my beater shoes now. Then my shadows were gonna be like my going out shoes, like say for special occasions, but then those turned into my beater shoes. So I just retired the other Air Forces because I've tried to wash them like several times. I always just throw them in the washing machine. I almost said dishwasher. And then I've also washed my shadows a lot, but they're just like, there's no coming back. So those are now my beater shoes, and these are gonna be my going out shoes because I love them so much. They just go with everything, you know? So got those in a size 7. Also got my Air Maxes in a 7 and my Dolce Vita heels in a 7 because that's like my true size. For other clothing items, I have 2, which is funny because I haven't been buying a lot of clothing, but actually I have, but that'll have to be in a part 2 because it hasn't come yet, like I said. But from Pac Sun, I got these jeans. I used to buy Pac Sun jeans all the time, and then I stopped once I got to college, but now I'm like obsessed. So these are the dad jeans in a 25. And I'm typically always a 25 or like a 0 to 2, but I feel like I could have even done these in a 24 because they're a little big in the like back area. Maybe it's because my butt isn't as big, but I don't know. But they're so cute. I'll try them on for you guys. They fit super, super well. They're a little long, but I will get them like hemmed, or if I wear like sneakers with it, it'll be fine. But they've got, what am I doing? They've got like cutouts at the knee. I love how they're like slim in the waist and thigh area, but then they like flare out at the bottom. Not flare out, they're not flare, but they're like looser at the bottom. I love that. And I love the wash. It's absolutely perfect. And they're very, very flattering. So love these. I'll have them linked down below. Last up, this is from a store called JOAH BROWN. And I've heard a lot of YouTubers talk about this brand recently. I got this one top and I'm obsessed. You guys know I love super, super cropped things because my torso is so short. And I'll just say that this top is it. I got an extra small. It was like $70 after like tax and shipping, which is so much, but it is so soft. Like it's like really, really soft material. And I wore this on my first day of classes with some pink leggings and it was just a vibe. So I love this. This is in the gray, but then I also ordered it in another color that isn't here yet, but it should have been. But so cute. This with the jeans would be such a cute fit. I'll definitely try that on for you guys. So guys, that is it for today's back to school try on haul 2021. This water bottle was in the frame and it was bothering me. Maybe I spoke too soon about the water bottle because I think it is dented on the bottom, but maybe not. Oh well. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, click the bell, upload every Sunday and Wednesday. Don't forget to check out Dossier's website. It'll be linked in the description box. Also use my discount code HannahVictoria10 for 10% off your order. And let me know what videos I should do next. And I'll have all these items linked down below. As always, I love you guys so, so much. And I'll hopefully see you very, very soon in my next one. Bye guys.